We have breaking news to report in the effort to deliver innovative ways to improve care and affordability. First up, Atlantic Health System, in collaboration with 5 other New Jersey health systems, has announced the creation of the Healthcare Transformation Consortium, or HTC. It's a partnership to provide higher quality and more affordable healthcare to our workforces. It's similar to what some other national businesses are looking at, but since HTC is made up of healthcare organizations, it's well suited to serve as a role model for other groups looking to improve the delivery of healthcare in a changing industry. The plan is for HTC members to team up to pick an insurance company to manage their self-funded benefits plans. Together, they can bring expanded access, enhanced quality, and lower costs. The plan is in its early stages, so there's going to be much more to come on this industry-changing announcement. And Atlantic Health System's Chilton and Overlook Medical Centers and Atlantic Home Care and Hospice recently launched a cutting-edge electronic health record called Epic. This technology will seamlessly connect all of Atlantic Health System's state-of-the-art locations and expert physicians, and it features a patient health record called MyChart. With MyChart, patients will be able to manage their appointments, view test results, and get answers to their healthcare questions. To learn more about how to access MyChart, go to AtlantiCast.org. By going live with Epic, Atlantic Health System joins some of the most prestigious healthcare systems in the country. All of Atlantic Health System will be online with Epic by the end of 2018. There's much more to come on this breaking news in the weeks ahead, but for now, we return you to your regularly scheduled AtlantiCast. This week on AtlantiCast, Morristown Medical Center ranks among the nation's best when it comes to knee and hip replacements. A brand new center for fighting brain cancer opens. The star-studded red carpet premiere of the latest Moments That Matter commercial, and much more. Hello, I'm Luke Margolis, and welcome back to AtlantiCast. Patients at Morristown Medical Center who undergo knee and hip replacements have better outcomes than at nearly any other hospital in the nation. That's according to the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services and its Comprehensive Care for Joint Replacement model. The program was launched in 2016 and rewards hospitals based on quality and on how well patients recover from surgery. This year, Morristown was the second highest rewarded hospital in the country. That means patients who had their surgery at Morristown were less likely to be readmitted for complications, had the support they needed to recover, and were able to go home quickly. If you're considering joint surgery or want to learn more about orthopedic care, go to AtlantiCast.org. The American College of Cardiology will give its 2018 Gifted Educator Award to Dr. Linda Gillum, the Dorothy and Lloyd Huck Chair of Cardiovascular Medicine at Morristown Medical Center and Atlantic Health System. The award is given in honor of contributions to the cardiovascular profession, including innovative and outstanding teaching characteristics and compassionate qualities. Dr. Gillum will receive the award at the college's annual scientific session in March. The more than 1,000 cancer patients treated at the Gerald J. Glasser Brain Tumor Center at Overlook Medical Center have a new, larger, more supportive place to receive treatment. Now located on the main floor at Overlook, the Glasser Brain Tumor Center is dedicated to treating brain tumors and offers the latest treatments and most innovative therapies. The center's director, Dr. Kurt Jekyll, recently opened a Phase 3 clinical trial of a first-in-class drug for patients who have already tried chemotherapy to treat glioblastoma multiforme or gliosarcoma. HealthGrades, the leading online resource for information about physicians and hospitals, recently gave Morristown Medical Center and Overlook Medical Center 2018 Distinguished Hospital Awards for clinical excellence. This is the 8th year in a row for Morristown and 5th in a row for Overlook. It puts the medical centers in the top 5% of reviewed hospitals nationwide. At the New Jersey Hospital Association's annual meeting last month, Dr. John Vigorita, an Atlantic Health System Board of Trustees member, was recently named Healthcare System Trustee of the Year, and Madeline Ferraro, Vice President of Government and Public Affairs, received the NJHA Health Pack Award. Congratulations to these great leaders for all they do to help build healthier communities at Atlantic Health System and around the state. Interested in learning more about what's happening here at Atlantic Health System? Check your mailbox for the latest edition of Atlantic View, Atlantic Health System's official magazine. Formerly known as Well Aware, Atlantic View has important health tips, some inspiring stories about overcoming healthcare challenges, and exciting news about new research. An electronic version of the latest issue is available at our website, AtlantiCast.org. Building healthier communities means bringing people together. Recently, Newton Medical Center and Hackettstown Medical Center hosted Coffee with a Cop events at local police departments to help build open and honest communications between law enforcement and the communities they serve. Coffee with a Cop is a national organization that helps hold these events, thanks to everyone who participated. And as we head to a quick break, nothing says celebrity like a red carpet premiere. That's what you're looking at, the star-studded launch of our newest commercial featuring Charlene Beebe, a physical trainer from Sparta who had both hips replaced at Morristown Medical Center. Charlene is back at work at the Sparta Athletic Club, who were kind enough to host the local debut of the TV spot. For those listening via our new podcast, check it out on our social media channels or at AtlantiCast.org. We'll be right back. With the AtlantiCast Medical Minute, I'm Luke Margolis. Dr. Lawrence Blitz recently used an amazing piece of technology called the Impella to save the life of a man who was having a heart attack. Doctor, tell us what happened.
This patient collapsed while playing tennis in our neighborhood. He was brought here to Chilton where his heart was failing. We were able to insert the Impella device, which is a mechanical support device that stabilized the situation. We treated him and were able to transfer him to Morristown, where he spent the next 2 days and was discharged home. He's now doing great.
Amazing. What do you think something like that says about Atlantic Health System heart care?
At our community hospital, the affiliation with Atlantic Health has enabled us to provide cutting-edge cardiac care in the community at Chilton Medical Center. We have the support of Morristown Medical Center and the entire health system, and it's really been great.
Doctor, thanks so much for joining us today.
You're welcome.
All right, folks, to learn more about the Impella or Atlantic Health System, you can go to AtlantiCast.org. I'm Luke Margolis, and you're watching the AtlantiCast Medical Minute.